So hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So if you have clicked on this title, most probably you know everything about Bitcoins or have done quite a bit of research on it. So in this video, we'll just be talking about how to buy Bitcoins in India. So let's get on to the video.
The first step is that you need to move to a default browser or whatever browser you're using. Then you need to search for WazirX, right? So what is WazirX? WazirX is one of the top cryptocurrency brokers of India. There are many such brokers, but I personally use WazirX. So I'm showing you how to purchase and sell cryptocurrencies in WazirX. You can make any other such account, but one of the top, and their interface is quite simple and it's secured also. So I prefer WazirX. So first you need to make an account in it. To make an account, you will require your average Gmail account or any mail account. Then you need to make a proper account with passwords and all. Then you need to protect it with two-step verification, which can be with any authenticator, which gives you extra security for your cryptocurrency account. Then the step is that you need to fill out your KYC. So after you fill out your KYC, then only you will be able to deposit as well as withdraw amounts from wazirx.com. It's really simple. It's very seamless transactions, and it's very easy to deposit money as well as withdraw money from WazirX. So now I've already made an account, so I'll be showing you. So here when I go into account, it's already logged in because I have already logged in before some time, so it's already pre-logged in. Every day you need to sign in if you're a regular user. So now here we can see that there's the basic interface of WazirX. On the left hand side we can see all the cryptocurrencies, be it Bitcoin, Doge, and Ethereum, whatever. All the cryptocurrencies are on the left side. Now what you want to do, after you have made your KYC, now you need to fill out your bank details. So it can be any bank, whatever bank you have, you can go and fill it out. You need the IFSC code, account number, and whatever. After that, the verification will be done. And after you have filled out your bank details, then only you will be able to deposit amount into WazirX. So when you have done that, go to funds. And after you go to funds, then you can see that you have rupees. You need to deposit rupees. And after you deposit rupees, you can see there are various options, and the first two are available, which is instant deposit. Instant deposit, which is recommended, where you do RTGS, NEFT through the bank which you have already registered with WazirX. Second is the deposit with UPI. With this, it's charge free. It's very simple to use UPI, and it's very seamless also. So I personally use the UPI, and this UPI has to be with that bank account which you have already registered with WazirX. So what was the first step? First step is make an account. Second step, do your KYC. Third step, get your bank account ready so that you can deposit and withdraw amount with WazirX. Now we'll look at the basic interface of WazirX. Here you can see the basic interface. Then you can see here is to purchase and sell. Now if we select here Bitcoins, then you can see we can simply make purchases here. Here you can see I have already 1,709 rupees in my wallet as INR. Now, so here is around 427 rupees, which will give me around 0.001 Bitcoin. Wow, wonderful. Then if I make the purchase, I will have this amount of Bitcoins deposited to my WazirX wallet. Now, after I make the purchase, I can simply sell it. Whatever amount I want to sell, like suppose I have this many Bitcoins, I want to sell 25% of it, 50% of it, or whatever. According to that, the prices will be decided, and whatever is trading at the market in that range, that will be done as your last traded price, and the transaction will take place at that price. So after you have done the transaction, the difference amount, either you have a profit or loss, that will be reflected in your funds, and amount will be deducted or added if it's a profit to your funds. And it's a very seamless withdrawal. You can simply withdraw it to the funds the way you deposited. Simply with that only you can withdraw amounts from WazirX. So that's all for the basic tutorial of WazirX. If you have any doubts, do ping me in the comment section.
Wait. Before we move on to the next video or whatever the video which is going to teach you how to become a billionaire in one day, stop, go to my channel. I teach how to become a billionaire or grow your wealth according to your capacity in a natural, organic way in the long run, which is value investing in fact. And I also do specific stock reviews where I talk about a company in depth and even tell you the good buy price at that kind of situation. So if you want to know that kind of knowledge, then do check out my videos and do subscribe. Oh, my outros are really difficult. Just Peace out.